Hi everyone, this is Joseph from Forest Tech Reviews, aka your favorite Cajun tech reviewer, back with another video. Today's video, yes, I want to give you an update on my experiences with the Nothing Phone 2. But before I get into this video, check this out. Okay everyone, so I'm back with another video today. Today's video, yes, I want to give you an update on my experiences with the Nothing Phone 2. I've been using it for about a week now, so I just want to go over, the things I'm liking, some things I'm not liking about it, and just have a friendly discussion with everyone. If you decide to pick up the phone, let me know what color you got and what size of storage so we can have a friendly discussion. And if you are liking it, let me know in the comments too. But let's get into it. The first thing you see on the screen is this beautiful 6.7 inch flexible LTPO panel. It's an AMOLED panel. It is a 1080p panel, but it looks really good watching YouTube, Netflix, TikToks, searching Facebook, and just looking at Instagram. So when you're watching it with the speakers, the stereo speakers, it's really a great panel. The only problem I have is when you get in the middle of the day, in the middle of the sunlight, it does not get the brightest like other phones that I have. So that's one little complaint. When I was trying to film the other day, I could not see what I really was filming because the screen wasn't the brightest. Using it on T-Mobile's network, using it as an everyday phone has been good, making phone calls, speaker calls, texting, the normal things that you do with a regular phone. It works really good. No problems with connectivity with the T-Mobile line. I've been getting 5G speeds everywhere, and it's really good compared to some of the hidden spots from the Nothing Phone 1, which, hey, shout out to the Phone 1. I'm not getting that same type of problem, no drop calls either. So I think with them releasing in the US, I think they made it really compatible with T-Mobile. Also, just the overall build, I love, the flat edges here, the flat display, and then even the back with this little curve. It's just easy to hold. And then what else about the Glyph interface that you can't like? You had the little battery indicator. You can do the little timer here. I think this one will go down for Uber, which hopefully soon enough that more developers use that and use the Glyph interfaces for, different apps. But what would be nice too is if you can control the color. That would be one thing too. If you control the color of each one, that would be great. But they did release this Composer app where you can make your own ringtone. You just hit record. And then you can actually play it. And you can set it to one of your contacts. So let me do that real quick. All right, so I set it to one of my contacts and just listen to this. This is what makes it cool. So the ringtone that you just made will play out, which is really cool. I do love the Glyph interface on here. You can have your phone flat and you know who's calling you by just the ringtone and the Glyph interface, which is pretty cool. I don't know if you call it a gimmick, but I use that a lot and it works out really good too. Overall, the battery life has been really good. I can get a day and a half out of this 4,700 milliamp hour battery. Let's check today. Says I have 61%. I used the screen for 4.5 hours already, which is not bad. So battery life has been really good on here. The overall performance with the Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 chipset has been good. Plus the 120 Hz refresh rate screen, which I didn't mention before. It smooths really good. Playing games has been great. I might do a gaming review on here. No problems with the Snapdragon and the overall performance. I also love the Nothing 2.0 operating system. I love how you can make the apps bigger, the different widgets on here. Also, you have the widgets on the lock screen. The only complaint I have here is I wish you could get more of widgets on the lock screen, but overall the fingerprint scanner works. The Face ID is crazy. Like, I mean, I don't know how safe it is, but it unlocks your phone really quick, by the way. So the overall like performance of it, no complaints there. So the other thing I want to talk about is the front-facing camera and the cameras in the back. This is where when you use a mid-range phone, you may suffer a little bit. The cameras are better than the Nothing Phone 1, but they're still not up to like par like the Pixel 7 or even the Pixel 7a, but they are definitely getting better. They need some work in nighttime. I mean, y'all can see my camera test here. Y'all let me know what y'all think about it. But the cameras could definitely be improved, which hopefully Nothing will keep on sending updates. They already sent out one to improve the cameras and make it a little bit better. So hopefully they keep on doing that. Now, it wasn't bad. For the price I paid for this phone, it was $649. Not overall like garbage cameras there. I wanted this phone more than I even wanted like the Pixel Fold, which is crazy to think about because I like folding phones. I am getting the Galaxy Z Fold 5. I had the 4 and the 3, but this one just interests me more and just it's something different than your normal brick candy bar style phone. Something about it just made me want it more and more, so I'm happy with it. Overall, I'm enjoying the phone. If you have it, like I said earlier, let me know in the comments what you think about it. Keep on letting me know what other videos you want to see on this phone. I will try to make them. Shout out to everyone that has been rocking with me with this phone. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, make sure you do so for more coverage on the Nothing Phone 2. Also, make sure you follow me on Twitter at Forza Reviews. Become part of the BAM Nation. And until next time, peace. I'm out of here. Y'all have a great day. Bam.